I'm going to show you the best coupon code for Temu in 2025. Now, if you click on the link on the description down below or on the pinned comment down below, you will be put into a website that looks like this. You can see you will get a $100 coupon bundle, or you can also just put in this code in the Temu app or by scanning on this QR code here. You can claim this coupon code by downloading the Temu app, and don't forget to read the fine print or the terms and condition here as well. Make sure to read all of these thoroughly so you don't get any misunderstandings. Even if you don't want to claim this specific coupons, if you close out of this, you can see it'll stay up here on the top of the website like this. You can also get this $3 PayPal free cash here. If you click on here, you can see this will be put to you onto any website. But even if you don't want to claim this as well, you can just scroll through the website here and you can see there's going to be a lot of things that's discounted for you. You can see, for example, this 5-seat luxury car seat cover. It's down from $139 into just $96. It's down from $61 to $17. And you can see there's going to be a lot more discounted as well. For example, this race carton bed is now $65 instead of $260. This sofa clip cover set is all from $101. And then on here, there's a couple of sandals as well. There's an Aussie car, shoes, bikes, bags, lots of things. So again, all you have to do is to press on the link on the description down below or on the pinned comment down below.